Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 4. I kind of messed up Part 3 in describing something, and if you didn't watch how I got here, we've contoured that. I actually kind of did it backwards. This is going to be your smallest piece, so this is going to be your bottom layer. What this is going to be your bottom layer. We're going to set our Smart Fill tool on green, and I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to change colors. I'm going to have to zoom in here. And this is kind of what I did. So if you do it in this order, let's make the next one blue, and we'll grab, I'm still going to have to zoom in. Always make sure you don't have the Smart Fill tool when you're doing this. And then let's hit P, put that in the center of the page. And you can already see it working. So now let's change the Smart Fill one more time to a different color. Let's make it red so it kind of stands out. And let's fill that in with red. Well, I didn't hit red. I always back up because I don't want to put another color on top of it. And then hit P to put that in the center of the page. And let's change the color one more time to maybe this light blue. Now if I hit P, put that in the center of the page, you can really see, you can barely see that, but you can see the colors. So every color will be a different layer. Your light blue is the top, your red's next, your blue's next, and your green is that back solid piece. These are really neat to play with. It does take a little bit of wood, but once you get it to where you want to cut it out, this gentleman that sent me this file got it on a small paper, but let's say your laser is 24 by 18. You could get, when you cut them out, you're going to go left click, right click. So there's your original one. Let's just get rid of these Smart Fills. So this is going to be your first one. I'm going to go ahead and change all these to red. To me, just simple makes it a hairline. And then, you can do stuff like this to get them where it doesn't take up so much wood. And you could really and truly, I would suggest not to mirror it, but to rotate it 180 degrees. In this case, it wouldn't really matter. But see, you could get quite a few in a pretty small space. And even if you did this one to a 180 degree angle, you could get a little bit closer and save you a little bit of wood. And I didn't take that much time to, put it in there correctly, but just kind of make sure you don't, get too close and have double lines crossing each other, like right there. That'd be a no-no, so always check that and just kind of make sure you're far enough away. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.